welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be decorating Easter eggs. Shoutouts are at the very end of the video, so stay tuned to see if you got shouted out. I'm starting by drawing on a raw egg with crayons. Now I'm going to be drawing on a boiled egg with crayons. The raw eggs are going to be boiled with onion husks later in the video, and the boiled eggs will be dyed. Now I'm going to dye the boiled eggs with these colours, blue, pink and yellow, in a cup with vinegar. Let's start by pouring in the vinegar. Now I'm going to add some drops of pink. Now I'm going to be dipping in one of the eggs with a spoon, and I'm going to keep it in here for a couple of minutes. Now that it's done, I'm going to dry it off lightly with a paper towel. Onion husk eggs. Here I have some grass and flowers and the raw eggs which I've coloured on, and also onion husks in a pot. Now I'm going to take a sock and layer each of the items, starting with the onion husk and then the grass and the egg, and layering the rest of the items like this. Because the sock was inside out, you can pull it over the egg and then tie it closed in a knot. Now I'm going to repeat this process again, but without the flowers. Now that all of the eggs are done, I'm going to put them in this pot with the rest of the onion husks and leaves. Now you can pour some water into it for boiling. Now I've put the eggs and everything else onto the cooking top. Now that they're ready, after 15 minutes, I'm cutting off the ends and taking the eggs out and then peeling off the onion husks. The eggs look really nice so far. Let's see what the other ones are. Okay, and you just keep cutting it and peeling off the onion husks. Here are the finished eggs after washing them, and I think they look quite nice. They look very natural, and here is the one with some pink patterns on it, and here is the flower one that you saw me doing earlier. And I think it looks quite nice. Also, here is a leaf egg, and I think they look really nice. Here are the finished eggs. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, have a great day, and happy Easter. The shoutouts of this video go to Connor's Art, Space Kitty, and Asha. Thank you so much for liking my video.